My name is Thomas Smith, Cadet Marine Engineer on my third phase at college, awaiting to join ship in a couple of months' time. During the last few months of lockdown, I have been working on a project called a CNC milling/laser engraving machine in my spare time. I had heard about CNC machines while I was studying HNC electrical engineering. This made me start looking into the world of CNC. I had seen many videos on lasering and milling machines and had decided to look into making my own CNC milling machine. A small introduction into CNC. So basically, CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which basically means the machine is controlled by a computer. As the machine is controlled by a computer, it allows for exact positioning to be achieved. I firstly started making a small CNC which ran M8 threads and was controlled by an Arduino Uno. After some time of the machine running, it began to wear out the threads, making it unreliable. Also, the drivers were small and were burning out through time. So I looked into making a bigger CNC which runs ball threads, making it faster. Also, I installed better drivers called DM542Ts, which improved reliability and accuracy. With this larger design, I had to use larger stepper motors called NEMA 24s. After selecting the size of threads and guide rails, I had to design round this to maximise the working area, which was challenging as the structure was built out of two old bed frames, as there was no access to wood during the lockdown, and I think, well, I made a good job of it. Some of the safety features added were end stops, which allows for the machine to know its own limitations, shutting it down if it touches the ends. I will now show this in this demonstration. The machine will move along, and I will touch this end stop here, which should shut down the system. So now I'll press it and the machine will stop. Machine stopped. So, other things I've added in safety is drag chains, which allow the cables to be stored neatly out of the working area. So moving on, here are some projects I have recently completed. Some of the future projects I plan on adding to the CNC machine is a fourth axis, which allows for rotational movement. So at the moment I have X direction axis, which is from left to right. I also have a Y direction, which is from front to back. In addition to this, I have a Z axis, which allows up and downwards movements. But this fourth axis will allow me to put material in, and it will spin round like this. Always remember, when working with laser engravers, use approved glasses, such as these ones, and also when working with a milling machine, use appropriate safety glasses. This has been a great learning experience looking into automation and future technology. Thank you for taking the time out to view this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you, Tom Smith.